Assalamu alaikum, my dear Arabic learners. Welcome to the first lesson of my Arabic reading and writing course. Before we start, I'll give you a simple yet profound piece of advice. Let go of the pressure trying to memorize meanings right now. This course is designed to build a solid foundation in recognizing Arabic letters, understanding their visual representation, and grasping the sounds they produce. So as we start, I urge you to focus only on the visual forms of these letters and the sounds they carry. You ready? Let's dive right in. Let's start with the short vowels. In Arabic, the short vowels are not written as individual letters. They're actually marks placed on or below letters. These marks are called harakat. One more time. Harakat. Harakat in Arabic literally means movements. They give some sort of movements to letters. Let's look at the first one. Fatha. Fatha is a little dash or line placed above a letter. It gives a sound a. A. This is fatha. Fatha. Where do we place it? Above a letter. Correct. Above letters. What sound does it make? A. Makes the sound a. Let's try it with this first letter. This is b. B. Repeat after me. B. B with fatha on top reads ba. It's very easy. Let's take another letter. This is n. N. Let's put fatha on top of it. What do we get? Yes. Na. Say it out loud. Na. Okay, so we got ba, na. Ba, na. Dhamma is the short vowel that makes the sound o. Let's take the letter b and put dhamma on top. What sound do I get? Bu. Read with me. Bu. How about this one? Do you recognize this letter? N. N. With dhamma on top of it, it becomes nu. Nu. Correct. Now let's read together. What's this? Bu. Bu. N. Nu. Nu. Bu. Nu. Bu. Nu. There's actually a football player named Bono. He's the goalkeeper of the Moroccan football team. Hi, Bono. Okay, moving on. Kasra is a little dash placed below letters. Kasra. Kasra. It gives the sound E. E. Okay, so let's see the letter B. B with kasra below it, it becomes B. Correct. B. Now, N with kasra, Ni. Ni. Great effort so far. Now let's look at the letter S. S. This is the letter S. S. Let's put fatha on top of it. What do we get? Sa. Correct. Sa. Let's put dhamma on top of it. Dhamma gives the sound O. What do we get? So. Correct. So. Now, with kasra, S with kasra makes the sound Si. Yes, Si. Great job. So we've learned fatha makes the sound A. It's placed above a letter. Dhamma is a little curve that is placed above a letter. It gives the sound O. And kasra is the little dash below a letter. It gives the sound E. Now let's look at sukoon. Sukoon. Sukoon indicates the absence of a vowel sound. It's a little circle that we place above a letter. Sukoon. Sukun literally in Arabic means silence or no movement. It's a stop. B with sukun. B. B. How about na with sukun? N. N. Let's try it with sa. Sa with sukun. S. S. Great job. Now let's look at this little W mark above letters. It's called shadda. Shadda. It's for stress. When you put shadda on top of a letter, it indicates the doubling of the letter sound. For instance, let's take the letter N. N. With fatha, it becomes na. Na. If we add shadda on it, it becomes na. Na. It's like we stress it. Na. We double the sound. Okay? How about ba? B with fatha is ba. If we add shadda, we double the sound. It becomes ba. Ba. So now I will give you the sound and you tell me what's the name of the short vowel, the haraka that makes the sound. Ready? Okay. What's the haraka, the short vowel that makes the sound a? Fatha. Fatha. A. What about o? O. Damma. Correct. Damma. We place damma above letters. Now, what's the name of the short vowel that makes the sound e? Kasra. Correct. Kasra. What do we call this little circle above a letter? It's called sukun. Sukun. It literally means silence or no movement. It indicates the absence of a vowel sound. So what is the name of the mark that we use to double the letter sound or to stress it? It's shadda. Shadda. Repeat after me. Shadda. Good job. Now let's learn the different letters and learn how to read them with those different harakat, with those different short vowels. This is the letter B. B. Repeat after me. B. B with fatha on top reads ba. Ba. With dhamma, bu. Repeat after me. Bu. With kasra, bi. Bi. With sukun, b. B. This is the letter T. T. Repeat after me. T. With fatha, ta. Ta. With dhamma, tu. Tu. With kasra, ti. Ti. With sukun, t. T. Again, ta. Tu. Ti. T. Ba. Bu. Bi. B. This is the letter K. K. With fatha, ka. Ka. With dhamma, ku. Ku. Come on, repeat after me out loud. With kasra, ki. Ki. With sukun, k. K. This is the letter R. R. Repeat after me. R. With fatha, ra. Ra. With dhamma, ru. Ru. With kasra, ri. Ri. With sukun, r. R. K, Ka, Ku, Ki, K. This is R. Read with me. Ra, Ru, Ri, R. Do you recognize this letter? Yes. T, T. Let's review this letter. Ta, Tu, Ti, T. Do you recognize this one? K. We've got Ka, Ku, Ki, K. Very nice. How about this one? It's R, R. Come on, read with me. Ra, Ru, Ri, R. Now the letter M, M. We've got Ma, Mu, Mi, M. This one is the letter L, L. L with fatha. How do we read it? La. Good. With damma. Lu. Lu. Now with kasra, how do we read it? Li. Li. With sukoon. L. L. Very good. Remember this letter? It's M. M. Ma, Mu, Mi, M. Ra, Ru, Ri, R. Ka, Ku, Ki, K. Ta, Tu, Ti, T. Ba, Bu, Bi, B. Remember this one? L. La, Lu, Li, L. Now let's read together out loud. Ba, ba. Ta, ta. Ka, ka. Ra, ra. Ma, ma. La, la. Good job. Now let's try all these letters with dhamma. Let's go from the top. Bu, bu. Tu, tu. Ku, ku. Ru, ru. Mu, mu. Lu, lu. Great job, everyone. Now let's review all the letters with kasra. B, B. Ti, ti. Ki, ki. Ri, ri. Mi, mi. Li, li. Now with sukoon, we've got B, T, K, R, M, L. Great job, everyone! I recommend that you watch this video many times until you memorize all the letters that we have learned so far. Don't get overwhelmed. Inshallah, we're going to do it one step at a time. And I promise you, inshallah, you will be great at reading and writing in Arabic. That was all for me today. Happy learning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.